Ever wonder what Tesla has planned for the upcoming year? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has a number of long and short-term goals for the business. Tesla is renowned for its endlessly creative ventures and concepts. To learn more about this, be sure to keep watching and tuning in. Due to its controversial leader, Tesla is definitely losing a lot of supporters, but a lot more people still have faith in the firm and its prospects. And they don't let you down, that's just Tesla. They have so many projects and items planned that reservations are ringing off the hook on their phones. According to Cathy Wood, you will learn about Tesla's 2023 intentions today. The optimism Cathy Wood has for Tesla is not new. Top holdings for Wood, who oversees ARK Invest funds, including the ARKA Innovation ETF, include Tesla. Words like convergence and disruptive innovator seem to come up whenever the investment philosophy of Cathy Wood's extraordinarily successful ARK Invest asset management fund is discussed. Furthermore, one may argue that these concepts connect to Tesla. Indeed, ARK Invest, run by Cathy Wood, is so confident in Elon Musk's Tesla project that it owns all 10% of the fund's capitalization in this company. This should come as no surprise. When it comes to investing principles, Tesla meets a number of Cathy Wood's requirements. In fact, Cathy's involvement in the form of an open letter to Elon Musk in 2018 kept Musk from repurchasing Tesla stock and reinstating the business as private. The letter proved to be something of a phenomenon. Within, Cathy Wood presented a 5-year bull case for Tesla shares, projecting a price of up to $4,000 in 2023. In his early stock repurchase program, Musk was content to pay just $420 for each share at the time. If you look at the revenue increase over the last 5 years, it has grown at a compound annual rate of almost 48%. And as you may remember at the time, Tesla was the subject of a great deal of dispute. Our prediction, depending on whether you pick the bull or bear case, is between 50 and 60% over the following 10 years. And for a few other reasons, claims Cathy Wood. Wood lists 4 entrance hurdles that appear to have increased in Tesla's advantage. Battery technology comes first. With the exception of a few in China, Wood claimed that Tesla is the only automaker that has chosen to ride the consumer electronics industry's cost curve. This is because laptop and/or cell phone batteries need to be changed. Wood pointed out that automakers and auto analysts made fun of Tesla when it made that decision. Due to well-publicized battery blowups aboard aircraft, the type of battery is no longer permitted. However, as a result, its price is now less. Compared to other automakers, its battery pack system is far less expensive. According to Wood, the other manufacturers would lose money on electric vehicles while their gas-powered vehicles will fail if they wish to compete with Tesla. There are many variations around that, since the alternative will be less power or less range. As a result, the battery is still 3 to 4 years ahead of other automakers' cost reductions that choose to employ lithium-ion pouch technology rather than Tesla's cylindrical batteries, according to Wood. According to Wood, Tesla's own chip is the second barrier to entry and the most important one in terms of growth and valuation. According to Wood, Tesla is the only automaker that has created its own semiconductor. The others lack the vision, their own chip, and the ability to follow. Wood claimed that Tesla is studying Apple's business practices. She remarked, "Recall that Apple was the pioneer back then. In terms of cell phones, the winners were Nokia, Motorola, and Ericsson." She clarified that Tesla was the startup, and that its creator, Steve Jobs, believed it would become more than just a phone, in other words, a computer in your pocket. And he carried it out. "I'll never get over how happy I was to be able to use my phone to surf the internet." Wood remarks, "I just thought this was revolutionary." She thinks that Tesla is starting something groundbreaking, just like Apple. According to Wood, the reason Tesla is so far ahead of its rivals is because they are still in the early stages of their development. According to her, the vehicles they have supplied thus far don't even come close to matching the Model S's range or other specifications from Tesla. According to Wood, Tesla is the only company using artificial intelligence chips, which are all about autonomy and represent another barrier to entry. After spending 8 years working at NVIDIA, an artificial intelligence business, James Wang, their analyst, was astounded by the specifications of Tesla's technology. According to Wang, Tesla is 4 years ahead of all other automakers in terms of available semiconductor technology specs. This is critical to Tesla's objective of using electric vehicles to become autonomous. Artificial intelligence initiatives are directly related to being autonomous, and the winner will have the most and the best quality data. The nearest rival, Waymo, only has 20 million real-world driving miles compared to 14 billion for Tesla. Lastly, the fact that Tesla is the only automaker still offering over-the-air software updates to alter performance gives it an advantage over rival businesses. What is your forecast for the performance of Tesla stock in the upcoming months and years? Please leave your comments in the space provided below, says Wood. According to Andrej Karpathy, Tesla's AI director at the time, the company has amassed billions upon billions of miles of real-world driving data, which presents the next obstacle to entrance. Compared to other companies, they have the most corner instances on which to train their algorithms. Wood claimed that since Tesla already has over 1 million robots, including her Model 3, roaming the globe gathering data and reporting it back every day, other competing businesses will never be able to catch up. Cathy Wood claims that over-the-air software updates constitute an additional barrier to entry because they seem unexpected to her. Wood revealed that since receiving her Model 3 in 2018, she has never needed to have a problem with it. Fixed. It appears that Tesla has identified and fixed any issues she may have had before she even notices or feels them. The only issue I've encountered is that she has a nail in her tire, which naturally cannot be fixed by software. However, that was all Wood adds. According to Wood, it was these entrance hurdles that gave Tesla the advantage. Their base scenario, which is currently approximately $800, is $3,000 in 5 years. We're seeing now that Tesla is able to scale EV manufacturing in a way that no one else, maybe Biden in China, is doing this yet, so our confidence in that has grown, and to get there, Tesla has to overcome a significant learning curve adds. According to Wood, most other automakers will not be able to match or surpass Tesla's combination unless they wish to incur losses on their vehicles. Wood stressed how crucial that is from both a performance and a range perspective. Wood responded as follows when questioned about big businesses taking on Tesla in the production of electric vehicles. They are utterly failing. This manufacturing process differs from that of conventional vehicles. The game is very different. In the past, we had predicted that Tesla will capture 25% of the market for electric vehicles within the next 5 years. We now predict that within 5 years, Tesla will account for 25% of the global automobile market. Additionally, we predict that almost half of all automobiles sold will be electric. A few investors have been curious as to what ARK Invest analysts saw in Tesla that made them so confident about the company's future. First off, when Wood made the well-known declaration that the company was a value stock, it was clear that the renowned investor was being serious and that his statement had neither irony nor even braggadocio. Furthermore, the fund's convergence principle explains this study. Tesla is more than just an investment in EVs. It's a business that unites several technology platforms and industries into one cohesive unit. This company develops software for artificial intelligence, robotics, and energy storage, even the glass. Technology Group is a part of it. Its deep value and enviable position in the market are a result of its plurality. Tesla is also a disruptor in the transportation industry. Once more, this is from out of Cathy Wood's script. ARK looks for trailblazers and those who are redefining their industries. Tesla may not be the only electric vehicle company in the area. In fact, there is fierce rivalry from what seems like everywhere. However, it is the only one in the lead group and setting the pace for its competitors. For more of this stuff, check out Tesla stock and our other films.